Welcome to the Paint So Perfect Let's Paint Together. Hi everyone. Today, the deep blue ocean is hosting a creative sneaker runway, and a cool little shark is happily walking around in the trendiest Nike shoes. Let's draw and color this adorable rainbow shark with a bright sharky smile, cool fins, and a colorful body. Add vibrant rainbow stripes, purple, green, and yellow sneakers to make the seaside scene even more magical and fun. Every color you add will make our sneaker shark look extra stylish. Drop a comment and tell me which colored shoe is your favorite. If you enjoyed coloring this quirky ocean friend, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's keep painting together. Blue, red,